And second, Mr. Chair, my topic, Mr. Chair, is about the fire hydrants, Mr. Chair, surrounding, we are already implementing the same, Mr. Chair. When we crafted that ordinance as the main sponsor, what was in my mind, Mr. Chair, was around 60,000 worth of fire hydrant that will be purchased. That's why we allocated around 100,000 per fire hydrant. So we have 43 now, Mr. Chair, worth 4.3 according to the engineering office. My concern, Mr. Chair, when I saw the fire hydrant, it's not even this traditional fire hydrant. It is an angle valve, Mr. Chair, a very small fire hydrant. And when we inquired how much the costing, Mr. Chair, it is the most expensive is 20,000, the regular is 9,000, the cheapest is 3,000. So I wish to ask the Bids and Award Committee to ensure that every penny being spent by the government would not be wasted. Because remember, Mr. Chair, we have a lot of issues of corruption. We still have an ongoing flood control scandal where the Bids and Award Committee has admittedly confessed by those perpetrators. They will adjust they will balloon the prices in order for them to be benefited personally. So we from the government, the reason why we have procurement act to ensure that the purchases being made by the government will be of the best interest of our people and not to enrich the supplier or any person to that effect. So how I wish, Mr. Chair, maybe no, Mr. Chair, if the contract was already given to us and the specification, we requested that last week, but we were not given any copy, although I made follow-ups as please, Mr. Chair.
Tapos, sir, we have already written the request here of it.
We received already a reply.
We have not yet, but we have not yet received any reply from the office of the mayor.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I just want to put emphasis, Mr. Chair. We make this ordinance, 100,000. The worth of the fire hydrant is 60,000. And there will be incidental expenses to be incurred. Prime Water is not charging anything. I even allocated 10,000 for the Prime Water for that, Mr. Chair. And another 10,000 for the fittings. That is 60, 70, 80. But if you are going to buy bulk, it should be cheaper, Mr. Chair. But here, Mr. Chair, the fire hydrant is very, very small. Because our purpose, Mr. Chair, when we make this ordinance, kapag Orion Pedagogya Bombero, ako nga ako, DJ, Mr. Chair, ada 2, ada 4, mangtet tayo ito host, isulat di umuna no ka nga, ng patay DJ, orang nga bang Orion na DJ Bombero. This time, dagiti na ikabit, Mr. Chair. May isa lang na size, Mr. Chair. May isa. If I'm not mistaken, the size of the fire hydrant is around 13 inches, Mr. Chair. This is far outcry from the traditional fire hydrants nga around 2 to 3 feet, Mr. Chair. So how I wish the Bids and Award Committee will be able to verify all these information so that the funds of the government will be accounted and protected, Mr. Chair. I'm not stating that they are into some corruption, Mr. Chair, but what I am saying, Mr. Chair, is that it appears that we are allocating funds so high that it is not commensurate to the product that we are receiving. That would be all, Mr. Chair. I'm ready for interpellation.
Thank you.